Calm down!
Please!
Hey, what's up you guys? It is Kaylora here. I am back with another video. You may be wondering why I am sitting on a floor. I'm sitting on a floor because this is the only cute-ish background there is. If you hear tap dancing in the background, I'm just watching tap dancing. I'm just kidding, my dogs are running around like crazy. I am doing 20 random facts about me. I'm really bored. I just worked a day. I am 20 years old. That is a
2 and a 0.
I saw one of my friends post the other day and they had you know how your typical basic girl, no offense to anyone because I want to do this, I'm just not cute enough to do so. They'll go to your local dollar store and they'll get a number balloon of how old they are and it's super cute. They get really cute pictures with that and I'm probably going to do it when I turn 21. My friend had posted a picture of her just turning 20 and I was just casually scrolling through Instagram and I saw this picture and I was like, wow, she's old, but not old, wrinkles old. Just I just did not realize how old she was. And then I was just thought to myself and I realized I was 20. I was like, wait.
I'm 20. I've been 20.
So that brings me on to my second fact about me. I have 2 dogs. Here is Zoe. Hey, Zoe. What's up, homegirl? Here's my second child. Number 3. I have a twin brother. A lot of people are like,
oh, are you guys identical?
No, we are definitely fraternal. We're a boy and we're a girl. Number 4. I wear all of my boyfriend's clothes. You may be wondering, hey Kaylora, where'd you get this hoodie? My boyfriend's closet. Number 5. I have 2 jobs. And that leads me on with number 6. I am a merchandiser / vendor. And then my second job, I work at campground. Number 7. I kind of work out. A shout out to my boyfriend. Yeah, I have one of those. Only for his clothes. My boyfriend, he has motivated me these last couple months with working out. Is it 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep. Number 8. I live in a travel trailer. You may already know that from my house tour. I'll link that below. Go check it out. Kind of hate it, kind of love it. I really want to move. Maybe one day, maybe not. With the travel trailer leads me to number 9. I have exactly been moved out for a year. Tomorrow, actually today if you're watching this. Number 10. Fun fact / fact about me. When I first started making my channel, I wanted to do beauty videos. There's so many beauty gurus out there that are phenomenal. I'll keep them in their spotlight and I'll stay in mine. Number 11. I've always wanted to be a comedian. 12. I am from Kentucky. 13. 13 is my favorite number, as well as I am just an all-around happy person. I always try to find the positive in things. I genuinely feel with every negative comes a positive. It's just how I feel down in my heart. 14. Fun fact about me, my senior year, I actually finished it online.
I just was sick of school, so I did it online.
Number 16. I do not attend college. I'm not against it. I'm just dumb. Number 17. I am tone deaf, but I will sing my little heart out anyway. Number 18. As much as I love people, I'm a very independent person. I make sure I have my together before. Do you know where I'm coming from? 19. My absolute favorite color is yellow. It's just a happy color.
I just love it.
I don't know why I'm ending number 20 off like this because it's about to be Christmas, but my favorite holiday is Halloween. I was really bored tonight. I just wanted to film a video. I'm very sorry if this was crazy boring, but I thought with the new subscribers coming in, You guys would want to know a little bit about me because I did have the 50 facts about me, but I have those videos hidden. I hope you guys like this video. If you relate to any of these facts, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which fact. And I will talk to you guys later. And bye, you guys. And I don't know how to do an outro, so I'm just going to hold her. Hi, Zoe. This is how I hold dogs. No, I'm kidding. Ew. Bye, guys.